how to open avatar editor on Roblox Safari. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just open up our Safari. Then after that, let's just search up for Roblox. So just simply click on the first link right here, click on that, and then after that, you'll be redirected here. So it says right here to continue in the app right there, but there's a little link right there at the bottom that says continue in browser. So just click on continue in browser right there, and then after that you'll be redirected here in your Roblox homepage. But if you don't have your account logged in just yet in the Roblox Safari, you will just be redirected into a sign-in page for Roblox. So just sign in your Roblox account from here. So once you're here, what you want to do is to just simply click on the three lines right here on the top left corner, go to your avatar, and after that it says right here, Avatar Editor. To change your look, you will need to use the Avatar Editor on the app, but there is a way to bypass this. So what you want to do is to just simply click on this icon right here on the bottom left corner, this one right here, beside roblox.com, these three lines right here. So just click on that, and then once you're here, what you want to do is you just simply click on these three dots right there, and then after that there will be an option right here to request desktop website. So just simply click on request desktop website. There you go, just wait for it to load, and then there you go. So as you can see right now, we can now start editing our avatar right here in the Roblox avatar editor. So yeah, so now in here we can now start editing our shirts right here. So just click on it, and then there you go, it will now be applied. So as you can see, there you go, you can change your face right here if you want to. So I'll just click on this face, and then there you go. So as you can see that the face is now applied. Change your head right here if you want to. So yeah, feel free to customize your avatar out, and then once you're done customizing your avatar, you are now done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open Avatar Editor on Roblox Safari.